how to make Facebook year together trending post. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make years together post on Facebook. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically here, first of all, to get these features you just need to go to Play Store, or if you're using iOS, go to App Store like this, and then here you have to search for Facebook. Okay, so after searching for Facebook here, make sure to update your Facebook. So guys, I have successfully updated the Facebook. Make sure that you also update your Facebook application. Okay, so now let me just get inside this Facebook, and here you can see this the year together option. So if you're not getting this, just watch the video till the end. I will show you how you will be getting this, the friendship people you have connected with the most year together. So just click on year together option, and guys, you can see here this type of interface will be pop up. As you can see here, you can share the friendship. Here's to what brought us together in a year, unlike any other. You can share this also. You can share Simon, thanks for being here from this and that. So now if I click to this share button, and then here you can write YEAR, years, TOGETH, years together. Okay, and then here you can see post option on the top right corner. Simply tap here. Okay, and also you can share this also. Just write HER, years, TOGETH together, and click on post. Now guys, if you're not getting this this option, what you need to do here, I'm gonna show you in this video. You have to go to Facebook. Okay, after going to Facebook, what you need to do here, I'm gonna show you. After going to Facebook, you just need to go to Facebook, and then here you have to search for Untold, TOLD. You have to search for this particular person here. Here you can see this is the person. So now you have to scroll down. You can send a friend request also, and then you have to scroll down. And guys, here you can see here's to what brought us together in a year, unlike or others. You can see here years together. You will find these two posts, and you just need to click on try it option. You can see here try it. Simply tap on try it, and then here you will get these features. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If it is really helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.